How to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix this experience is unavailable due to account settings on Roblox. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your web browser and go to roblox.com. And if there are any games that you can't play, that's probably because of the settings. So what you're going to have to do is basically find the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on settings. Once you are on your settings menu, you want to directly head over to content, privacy and content restrictions, and then go to content maturity. Now, most probably your content maturity is selected to minimal. So what you want to do is scroll all the way to the right side until you find moderate or restricted. What happens is the more left you go, you have minimal violence, light, unrealistic blood, and you cannot access those kind of games. If you move it to the right side, you could just go ahead and simply change this, and it's gonna contain repeated moderate violence and more. Now, if you want to move it all the way to the right, you're going to have to verify your age by providing an ID or something. You can click on verify now to continue on with that process. This is the main thing that should be holding you back from playing any games. The next thing you can check is if you head over to parental control, you could do that. So I'll just cancel the verification for now. Let's head over to parental controls. If you have set up any parental controls, you might want to check your settings there. Since I don't have anything here, I'm not able to do it, but you can change your child's settings and what kind of games they play. And after doing so, you want to head over to account info and verify your age. So as you can see here on my age group, I'm 18 plus, and you could also change your birthday from here. Click on this edit button, and you can change your birthday from this list. And once you're done, click on continue and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.